Ramirez.
Ramirez! Ramirez!
Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ramirez. 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 Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ramirez. Ramirez. Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ramirez. Ramirez. Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ramirez.
Ramirez! Ramirez!
Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ramirez. Ramirez.
Ramirez!
Ay, ate, peg niya sugar.
Kakape ka na naman.
Mamaya, kasi mamaya kailangan ko ng sugar.
Tira mo ko oh. Sige.
Oh, teka lang, maka-expired na to.
Matagal pa expiration yan, December 7.
December 7?
Oo, yun o.
December 7!
December 7.
Birthday niya ng sugar!
Ay, birthday ba niya? Happy birthday, sugar!
I miss you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Si Ma'am Sugar, isa siya sa mga gusto ko at pinagmamalaki kong line lead. Kasi sa nakita ko sa kanya, hindi siya yung taong sunod-sunuran. May sarili siyang opinyon. Saka may paninindigan siya at ipagtatanggol ang team niya kahit may makaaway pa siya. Kaya naman ngayong birthday niya, binabati ko siya ng
Hi Sugar, happy birthday. I love you.
Okay, happy birthday ulit, Ma'am Sugar.
Ay, Ma'am Shu, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sugar. Happy birthday.
Talaga. Hi, Sugar. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Sugar. God bless. Miss ko na kayo dyan.
Happy birthday, Sugar!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shu. Happy birthday, Sugar. Dude, happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday. That's my blending.
Shake what your mama gave you, misbehave you. I just wanna strip you, dip you, flip you, bubble babe you. What they do, taste my raindrops cable. Now what you will and what you want and what you may do, completely separated till I deeply penetrated. Then I take it out and wipe it off.
I love you, Mommy, too.
Overstated, underrated, everywhere.
Happy birthday, Mommy Shu.
Happy birthday, Mami Shu.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday po and thank you po.
Hi, Ma'am Shu! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sugar! Happy birthday, Ma'am Shu! I love you. Happy birthday. Hey, Ma'am Shu, happy birthday po. Ma'am Shu, happy birthday.
Ma'am Shu! Pizza po, pizza!
Inuman na!
Tama!
Guys, what can you say about Sugar?
Sweet. Talo kay Ate Sean. Ulit. Oo, matampo yun. Matampo yun.
Ang hilig ko kasi tumawa. Saka ang lakas ko ng tawa.
Hindi mabubuhay na walang sombrero.
Awesome.
Sugar! Uy, Sugar! Birthday, madam! Happy birthday, ah!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sugar. Happy birthday, Sue. Just want to let you know on your birthday that our friendship is special.
Happy birthday. Sana mag-birthday ko ka. Pwede ka palalo. Parang ako.
Sana...
Artista.
Maging happy birthday mo. Kaya happy birthday.
May pagkagano. Nanay?
Alam ko, alam mo yun.
Aba? Alam ba ni Main yan?
Joke lang. May kapit na si Sugar.
Hello, Ma'am Sugar. Happy birthday po sa inyo. May God send you a millions of angels so that in every battle of your life, they will guide you. And also, I'm wishing you a good health, more success in life, and yun, keep healthy, and you're so blessed that you have a circle of friends, you have a family, you have a loving care of Miss Jo. So, for you. Stay happy. God bless. Love ya.
Gustahan pa na natin, panalo ko. Pero, ngayon, ikaw ang panalo. So, ikaw ang nanalo ngayon. Ikaw ang binigyan mo yung gustahan.
Happy birthday, Sugar! Ano ba sasabihin ko? Wala kasi ako maisip na masabi kasi I can't wish a happy birthday for you kasi alam ko you have everything kasi andyan naman si Joe na mahal ka, and then may bago ka ng house and lot, so I can't wish for anything. Ang masasabi ko na lang siguro, I miss you, buddy. I miss yung mga ride natin. Tsaka, basta nami-miss na kita.
Pero may din Sugar, pagbulo.
5 years and counting.
Ilan taon mo ba yun?
Hindi ko alam eh. Birthday niya, guys.
Sugar. Happy birthday, Sue. Just want to let you know that our friendship is special. But we both know they can never became excused to become the band we've always been sharing. With the year you are going to have in your life, bring you celebration of happy. And you spend happy life ahead. Happy birthday, may God bless you all the time.
One of the sweetest mga dude dito sa
Celebration.
Lagot.
Chu, happy birthday! Sana lumaki ka pa. Lumaki. Papayat ka.
Ikaw din.
Ako din. Sabay tayo. Tapos, sana healthy ka lagi. Masaya.
Ano ba talaga? Papayat o healthy?
Pareho, sabay. Ayun lang. Stay happy. Strong. Ayun.
Brave,
Brave.
smart,
globe, sun.
All network ka sana. Maging all network ka. Yun. So, yun lang.
Ayun po, so enjoy your day and hopefully sana magkita po tayo with Ancillary Team on my vacation on December and I'm so excited na and sana hindi po kayo busy and yun po, it's been 2 years now so but still our friendship still the same so thank you and God bless.
Saka, masayahin po kasi kayong tao. Kaya, stay jolly. Jolly ba yung tamang word? Stay chubby. Hindi, joke lang. Stay masayahin at saka mabait. Sana po masaya po kayo today na birthday niyo. More birthday to come. And achieve natin yung pagpapayat. Sana ako din pumayat. Ayun po. Happy birthday. And
Ay, dude. Happy birthday. Nakakayaman itong pinapagawa ni Mai. Pero, since para sa'yo, carry na lang. Carry na lang agad niya.
Birthday Ma'am Sugar at dahil birthday mo, nagpadala ko ng regalo para sa iyo na may tatak cherry. Miss ko na kayong lahat, lalo na yung mga kakulitan natin, yung mga pagtatampuhan at mga kalokohan natin lahat. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to at sana magkaroon ka pa ng madaming birthday. Miss ko na kayo, mag-iingat kayo palagi.
happy birthday, Amshu. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging OG, ST, and Pet.
Hi, Sue. Happy birthday. Gising ko lang kasi kagabi.
Ingat palagi and thanks for loving Ate Jo. God bless. Bye. Sana maging successful ka sa career mo and kahit na hindi tayo magkasama sa work is sana magkaroon pa rin tayo ng bonding time. Sana madagdagan pa yung mga pinuntahan nating places tulad ng Baguio and Palawan. Wish you all, miss you Sugar. Happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Super lucky ako and super proud na naging friend kita. Tayo. Kasi tao, sweet, responsable, at at mapagmahal na kaibigan. So, sana umulan ng blessing sa inyo ni Mai, ni King, ni King family.
Happy birthday, Sugar! Dude, happy birthday! More years to come!
Happy birthday again. Mama Chuchu. Sana mabusog mo kami.
Oo nga, blow out naman.
Blow out, ah.
Pagpainom ka pala sa amin nila, man. Tsaka nila.
Ba't kayo lang?
Paano kami? Sal eh?
Ay, okay. Mga tibo kasi.
Tibo ako din. Ay, tibo ko. Oo, dati. Pahaba na. Tibo ako dati, elementary. Ayun!
Talang buhay mo na?
Bye! Ingat! Bye! Happy! Enjoy!
Blessed desires of your heart and wish you good health. Bye-bye! I love you!
Happy birthday! God bless. More birthday to come. Shut down. Kayong dalawa lang.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
I'm Sugar. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. And good health. And more blessings for you and your family. More power.
Happy birthday mo. Maya tayo.
Hello Sugar, happy birthday. Sana maging happy ka forever with Jocelyn and thank you for everything.
Happy birthday, Papu! Happy birthday, Sugar!
Happy birthday, Papu. Happy birthday, Sugar.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sugar.
Mommy too.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my own. Sana surprise ka sa munting handog namin para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita. Yun lang.
So make a wish.
Hi! Happy birthday! Sugar!
Go.
Yung bloopers, man.
Sige lang.
Game na ba?
Sige.
Okay na yan. Hindi niya tatanggalin yan.
O, game na.
Game na?
Make it like your birthday every day.
Parang may pananakot ah.
Happy birthday!
Okay, malinaw. O, bati ka dali. Puputulin ko na lang. Happy birthday, yun lang sabihin mo. Cool.
Ulitin mo, ulitin mo.
Sige.
Ulitin mo.